Hey, what's up, everybody? I am Jason, and you're watching Micro Investor. All right, so I want to talk about the oil industry, the entire oil industry. So not just like, not just oil itself, but also like the drilling and everything involved with the that entire industry in general. Um, I've been asked, what are my interests in investing into this type of industry, and I want to get into saying that I am not actually very interested in that market. I know a lot of people are, and I know that there's a lot of energy stocks as far as fossil fuels go that are have gone down a lot, and they're really popular, and that's something that I'm not at all interested in getting into because we are changing as the United States is very changing. We're going more into clean energy. We're going into electric energy. We're going into hydrogen energy. So I'm a long term investor. So I don't believe in investing into something that has a lot of new things coming into the space that they were providing for. Like here really soon, when we go to like a Shell gas station, right now, like they're gas stations, but Shell has made like moves to buy into charge stations. So we're gonna eventually have charge stations and gas pumps, like places to charge and to pump gas at Shell. And this is going to be happening everywhere. Electric vehicles are selling like crazy. I don't really know how big the hydrogen market is, but I know it's bigger, much more in different parts of the world other than the United States. But also, like the airline industry. I know that there's planes starting to be made, with hydrogen, to use hydrogen instead of jet fuel. So there's a lot going on there, and so I don't want to get into an industry that has now a lot of competition. A lot of people, kind of in their spaces, and so it's like buying into a company that manufactures big rigs right now, freight trucks and stuff like that. When we know that there's Tesla, getting ready to be selling a lot of these electric trucks that are gonna, eventually we're gonna get into autonomous driving and all that, and there's just so much changes going on into that industry, and that really that would scare me to even be an investor. So I know a lot of people are interested in buying into those stocks, but I'm definitely not one of them. I'm more like, for me, I'm thinking about what's going to be next. So that's why, like, as far as like those cheap stocks go, I made a video about it not that long ago talking about Plug Power. And that's where I'm seeing this stuff go. I'm seeing Tesla being an energy company. And they're going to open up a lot more charge stations and stuff. So that's where I'm going with this, and I believe like companies like Shell and Chevron, those will be like safe things to invest into, because as like Shell, with with them getting into that market, they're going to be safe because they already have plans. They have the real estate there where they can start getting into that. But as far as like the drilling goes and all that, I don't really see a whole lot of market for that here in the future. I think in the next 10 years. People are going to only really be buying electric vehicles, so why get into something like that? Now, I'm open to other opinions. I like to hear what other people have to say. If you have something to say about that industry, feel free to write it in the comment section. As always, everybody, I'm going to leave it right there. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out all the time. We're talking about investing and such. Thank you for watching.